Welcome everyone to today's lecture on establishing connection with your audience through effective communication. As presenters, our ability to connect with our audience is paramount to the success of our presentations. In this session, we'll delve into the importance of effective communication in establishing a strong connection with your audience and strategies to achieve it. Number 1, building rapport. Effective communication lays the foundation for building rapport with your audience. Warmth and authenticity. Communicate with sincerity and authenticity to establish a genuine connection with your audience. Empathy. Show empathy towards your audience by understanding their needs, interests, and concerns, and addressing them in your presentation. 2. Creating engagement. Engaging your audience is vital for maintaining their attention and interest throughout your presentation. Interactive techniques. Use interactive techniques such as asking questions, conducting polls, or encouraging participation to keep your audience engaged and involved. Storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool for capturing the audience's imagination and creating an emotional connection with your message. 3. Demonstrating understanding. Effective communication demonstrates your understanding of your audience perspective and need. Audience-centric approach. Tailor a message to resonate with your audience's interest, knowledge level, and preference. Addressing concerns. Anticipate and address potential concerns or objections to your audience may have. Demonstrating empathy and understanding. 4. Establishing trust and credibility. Trust and credibility are essential for gaining your audience confidence and attention. Clarity and transparency. Communicate your message clearly and transparently, providing accurate information and avoiding ambiguity or deception. Consistency. Consistent communication builds trust over time, reinforcing your credibility as a reliable and trustworthy source of information. Number 5, enhancing connection. Through nonverbal cues play a significant role in establishing connection with your audience. Eye contact. Maintain eye contact with the audience to convey confidence, sincerity, and attentiveness. Body language. Use open and welcoming body language to signal approachability and engagement with your audience. Number 6, fostering two-way communication. Effective communication fosters a two-way dialogue between you and your audience. Active listening. Practice active listening to understand your audience reactions, concerns, and feedback, and adjust your communication accordingly. Encouraging feedback. Invite feedback from your audience throughout your presentations, demonstrating a willingness to listen and respond to their input. Conclusion. Establishing connection with your audience through effective communication is essential for creating meaningful and impactful presentations. By building rapport, creating engagement, demonstrating understanding, establishing trust and credibility, leveraging nonverbal cues, and fostering two-way communication, you can forge strong connections with your audience and make your presentations memorable and impactful. The next lecture will discuss conveying messages clearly and concisely. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.